Hello and welcome to another tutorial video from How to Webmaster. Today I will show you how to add an Instagram feed into your WordPress post, and this will work for displaying single feeds or multiple feeds from different Instagram accounts. And this is right here is the plugin. It's free, called the Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed. And now let's head over to my WordPress admin dashboard here, and you can add this plugin directly by going to plugins, add new, search for Smash Balloon, and look for the one that says Smash Balloon with the social photo feed. Click on install now, and once done installing, click on activate. After you're done activating, on the left menu here you will see a new item, Instagram feed, and click on settings, and you will arrive here on this page. Now you need to connect your Instagram account to this plugin, and you can click on this button right here and select whether you have a personal or business Instagram account, and then click on connect. And now just click on allow, and then you will be taken back to the screen here, connect this account. Okay, it is successfully connected now. And now if you want to connect more Instagram accounts, just click up here, connect an Instagram account, and then do the same exact thing, connect, and then log into your other Instagram account, and then click on allow, and then connect this account. And now you will see two accounts here, and you can choose to display multiple accounts in one feed, or you can do it separately. And if you want to display in one feed, for example here, the primary feed, you can add to primary feed just like that, and it will display in one feed. And now let's go to customize. Here you can customize how your feed looks, so you can mess around with these customization options if you want. And now display your feed. So right here, this is the primary feed shortcode that you will use to display the Instagram gallery, or however you want to customize it right here. So let's copy this. Okay, here is a new example post, and I'm using the classic editor. If you're using the new block editor, it works exactly the same way. Okay, so I enter in some example title and a content right here. Now let's paste in the shortcode exactly, was copied exactly from the plugin, just like that. And again, the block editor is the same thing. You just paste it in exactly like that. Now let's do a preview. Okay, and you can see here my Instagram account username and my feeds, just like that. And then we have the load more and follow on Instagram. And if you click on a post here, for instance, it'll go directly to the Instagram page. And now I want to show you how to add it to your sidebar widget. So find the text widget right here, and then just add to the add widget to the sidebar. And here just paste in the same exact shortcode, just like that, and then click on save. Let's visit the website and look to the right sidebar, and there it is, your Instagram feed displayed just like that. And it is automatically resized and responsive to your sidebars and post dimensions, and also works in mobile or desktop browsers as well. So this plugin works great. I like it. I recommend it. Smash Balloon. I hope you find it useful as well. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy blogging.